comes the task of trying to stick this thing inside.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna
It's
fit.
definitely not big enough. The gap is not big enough. When I thought that, I was like, yo, the gap maybe in my mind was further away.
What if we put a seat down? No?
Like this? At an angle? Yeah, we can squish that in there.
You think so?
Yeah,
okay.
which
So
seat
the
can you put
seat
down?
is on the passenger side needs to come down. That's the
Is that
single
one over
seat.
there?
Yeah.
I think I don't know. Yeah, I think
Yeah, it'll fit.
maybe.
Arizona might get a little crowded, but
Maybe not. Try it.
okay, well, okay. Go put the seat down. Yeah, you just have to force it down. It's because it's attached to her car seat. That's why.
I'm moving your seat.
That should be good enough. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm definitely moving your seat.
Yeah, no, I know. It's attached to her seat. That's why.
It's attached to her.
Yeah, but that should be fine. It should be able to just move up like that. Mm-hmm.
No, still.
I think it will.
Not all the way in. No. Not without popping. No, not without popping it. No.
We'll try to push the seat down more.
It's not gonna work. I'm just telling you.
Well, then we can strap it to the top then. We have toe straps.
Okay, what?
Now we just need to put the thing on top. Oh, that works way better.
It's silly, but whatever.
Nope, nope, nope.
Oh, hold on. Double take. Let go.
Take 3. Got it. Oh, okay, hold on. Wait. Oh, I was gonna grab it. Okay.
Well, at least you're not. Can you hold me up there so I don't fall down? There's no foot, you know? We need to step right here. There was a footing for the second foot.
I got you, don't worry.
Yo, I don't know. We're dumb. Look, I don't think this is going to stay anyways. I don't think it's going to stay.
It'll
You gotta
stay.
go with it. No.
It'll stay.
No.
It'll stay.
I'm pulling out.
I
pulling
guarantee it'll stay.
No, I'm pulling out.
Why are you
do
pulling
this
out
with
without? Okay, we put it through the handle this time. Now we know it won't fall off. Except Dad doesn't know how to ratchet a ratchet.
I put it on backwards again. Shut up.
We got it.
Put your seatbelt on.
I think it. Why is this so hard right now? We are on our way to go sledding now. We finally got it attached to the roof of our car.
It seems later to me, but it's like only 2:30.
It is 2.
It's just it's been gloomy because
We're expecting some snow. Oh.
Go ahead.
We're expecting more snow to come down here in Carson and more in Tahoe. We're gonna go over to the middle school and we're gonna start sledding. This will be fun.
Which street am I supposed to go on? Oh, 5th, huh?
5th Street, yep.
I'm not gonna wear my gum boots.
Go ahead, babe. I'll grab this. You guys get headed towards the top.
Okay, let's go meet. It got windy all of a sudden, and now the storm is coming. Oh, jeez. There's curves everywhere that I don't even know what's going on. Okay, we're gonna walk up to the top of this hill and we're gonna start sledding. Because it will be fun. He did the same thing I did. I tripped over it too. Yeah. Oh, yes it is. This is all part of sledding.
This way. Turn your feet sideways, feet like a penguin.
Alright, go. Oh, good. So good. Oh, good. She's a little scared, but she's got it. She's a trooper. Good thing you're tough, Neat. Good thing you're tough. You got it. You got it. That's so good. I wonder if she had fun or not, or if she's freaking out. I have no idea, because I can't hear them from up here. Did you have fun? Was that fun or not fun? Let me try. That makes sense.
Ready? Make a snowball, throw it at a tree. Make sure you don't hit the pole. Put your feet on. Try not to go by the pole. Yeah, if you take the path, there's a little path you see.
Alright. It is definitely getting cold and windy now that storm is coming in. But they're gonna go again. I barely missed it. This part about sledding, you guys. Hold on. that wind. The hardest part about sledding is walking back up the hill. That is for sure.
Oh.
Alright, I don't either. Okay, go ahead. Give us a push. Just a small one. I got you. Don't worry.
Oh, broke the speed record.
Wow!
We got high speed.
High speed.
Okay.
Oh god, this is dangerous. I'm not happy with what's happening right now.
Oh yeah!
That was too much. I think you got that real fear in my face. Short time sledding here with our Carson City snow day. That's fun. Oh, that curb, man, gets me every time. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Later.